Today we will be discussing what are the various angles formed by the transversal to the parallel lines. When these two lines are having a common distance between each and every point on these two lines, these lines are termed as parallel lines. When I moved at this position, these are the parallel lines because they are having at a fixed distance between each and every point, and this is the line which intersects these two parallel lines. We term this line as the transversal. When this transversal intersects these two parallel lines, there are different angles formed at various positions. There are finally 8 angles which are formed when the transversal intersects these two parallel lines. Now we will be exploring what are the various angles formed by the transversal to the parallel lines, and these will be done with the help of the students on the computer. Yes, Simran, what have you explored when two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal?
I have explored that when the two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the alternate interior angles formed are always equal. As we drag it, the transversal, the angles are coming equal.
So are these all angles equal when the two parallel lines are always being dragged? Yes, Parmeet, which question are you doing?
I am doing the question of the corresponding angles.
Okay.
That they are always equal or not.
Okay, which two angles are corresponding angles?
Here these two angles are corresponding angles and they are always equal.
So can you show me how they are equal?
Here you can see. When two lines are intersected by a transversal, then these two corresponding angles are always equal.
Okay. Shagun, can you explain me which are the angles on the same side of the transversal and what is the relationship between them?
And the angles on the same side of the transversal are formed when a transversal intersects two parallel lines, and the angles it forms are on the same side of the transversal, and they are always supplementary. So they sum adds up to always 180 degrees.
So just can you show me on this portal?
When a transversal intersects two parallel lines and it forms angles on its same side, such angles are known as interior angles formed by transversal on the same side. The relation between these two angles is that the sum adds up to 180 degree, or they are supplementary. It does not matter if I change the positions of the parallel lines, the property remains the same.
Now with the exploration we have explored that when two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal, so there are 8 angles being formed and there are various relationships between the various angles.